Hello and welcome to Home All. In this video, we are sharing 10 tips to create space in your small kitchen. Tip number 1. Go vertical. Maximize vertical storage with shelves and hooks. Install open shelving up to the ceiling for dishes and pantry items. Use wall-mounted rails or pegboards for pots, pans and utensils. Tip number 2. Clear countertops. Declutter countertops by storing small appliances in cabinets. Using wall-mounted holders for tools. You can use magnetic knife strips. Tip number 3. Utilize hidden spaces. Add toe kick drawers under cabinets. Use the back of cabinet doors. Put items on windowsills. Tip number 4. Optimize cabinets. Consider compact appliances or pull-out units to optimize existing cabinet space. Wider drawers with organizers. Vertical dividers for plates and pans. Tip number 5. Add multifunction items. Add a rolling kitchen cart or movable cart. It creates space and storage and can be tucked away when not in use. Tip number 6. Add multifunctional items like over the sink boards. Tip number 7. Use light colors to brighten and larger the space like whites, creams and light grays on walls and cabinets. Tip number 8. Add mirror or glass backsplashes to bounce light and create the illusion of more space. Tip number 9. Paint upper and lower cabinets of the same color to create a cohesive and less cluttered look. Tip number 10. Minimalism. Keep decor and items to a minimum and choose compact functional pieces over bulky ones.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like it and subscribe to our channel. It helps us in bringing you more content for all things home.